have a technique that will save you ever ironing sheets again. You put the sheets in the dryer, you put them on dry for 7 minutes.
7?
7. You take them out of the dryer, they'll still feel kind of... Well,
damp,
pretty damp. You put them on the bed and stretch them on the bed and let them dry. Turn a fan on or open a window. It has to be warm. The sheets will dry like they've been ironed. No, that's a whoa!
If you iron,
yes,
what is the tip you're going to show us now?
So this seems really wacky, but I promise you it'll work. It's amazing. Everyone has aluminium foil in the kitchen, right? Yeah. You get a long sheet of aluminium foil. Prepare to be amazed, my friends.
Okay.
And you put it under the ironing board cover like this.
Oh, look at you!
No. So then you put this back down on the board, and then what happens when you iron something? So if you put two sides of the shirt together like this, the heat will radiate back up through the foil, and you only have to iron one
half of a shirt.
Hang on. So
that's amazing!
It'll save you half your ironing time. Here's another tip. I don't know if any of you were a victim this year to glitter cards. We got a ton.
Oh, my friend Joe, he is a glitter card.
Okay, so we had a ton of glitter in our house. If you have kids at home, if you have glitter anywhere, even if you come home from a wild night out, get a
lint roller.
And this amazingly...
No, that's a good one.
Well, or cat or dog hair. I might have screwed this up because of this, but cat or dog hair, look at that.
That's really, really good. Excellent. Excellent work in the field.
This is kind of a bit of a light tip, but I like this because it helps me enormously at home. Throw 2 hooks on the side of a trash can.
What's that for?
And when you put the bag in, you put the handles over it, and then you will never have a problem
trying to find the edge of the thing.
Or if you throw heavier stuff in, sometimes...
It won't curl in.
Yeah, that's right. So
that is good!
So then, super simple. These are very inexpensive hooks, super simple.
I love that. You know, I also keep extra bags underneath, like a half a dozen of them, so it's
in the bottom of the bin.
It's like loaded to go.
And the other thing you can do, cut a dryer sheet. We're building, throw half a dryer sheet.
We're amazing together, Peter.
throw half a dryer sheet in. And
that's right. And it'll keep all the odors out.
Blenders, we use them a lot. Under the blades can tend to get a little dirty, and some blenders won't come apart so easy for cleaning. Simple tip, a little baking soda, which is one of the miracle products. A little of your best shampoo. No.
Dish soap.
Dish soap. Yeah. And then a little warm water into the blender.
So it's like when you clean your washing machine. That's the same kind of thing.
Exactly the same. And then... What you need to do is, one of the problems here is I haven't used super hot water, and you should use super hot water. Right. So you can see it's pulled most of it off, but not all of it. But with super hot water, that works. Some here not quite, but you'll see everywhere else super hot.
So the last time Peter was here before the new year, he announced that his book, Let It Go, is being re-released after almost 3 years. It's in stores now, but if you're in the audience today, you get a copy, everybody.